Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix iPhone is too close or iPhone may be too close. For example, if you are using your iPhone very close to your eyes and you see a notification that your iPhone is too close or maybe too close, so how you can fix that? So if you see this kind of notification, then you don't have to panic because it is a feature of a latest iOS 17 update, so that it can reduce your eye problem, so that you cannot use your iPhone close to your eyes, and basically it is a warning that you cannot use iPhone too close because it will create eye problem. So basically you can set this feature for your children so that they cannot use your iPhone close, very close to eyes. So how you can enable this settings? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to screen time, and in screen time you can simply find the option of screen distance here. So what you have to do, you have to simply turn this toggle on if you want to use this feature. As you can see, there is a written to reduce eye strain and risk of myopia in children. Screen distance will alert you to hold an iPhone or iPad with Face ID at a recommended distance, which means it will use the feature of Face ID and tell you about warning that you are too close to iPhone or not. So in this way it will protect your eyes from having any kind of problem like myopia and all related problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.